Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up OWOTrack. First, ensure your mobile device meets the necessary requirements. Your phone must have an accelerometer and a gyroscope for accurate tracking. It also needs to be running Android version 4.4 or newer, or iOS version 12.1 or newer. A stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for seamless operation, though an internet connection isn't strictly required. Begin by downloading the OWOTrack app from your phone's respective app store. Next, let's prepare your computer. You'll need to install the Slime VR server application, which acts as the bridge for your phone's tracking data. Once installed, find your computer's IP4 address. This is vital for connecting your phone. Make sure both your computer and phone are on the exact same local Wi-Fi network. If you're using Amethyst, remember to disable any OWOTrack Steam VR add-ons to prevent conflicts and ensure smooth operation. Now, let's connect and calibrate your trackers. On your phone's OWOTrack app, input your computer's IP4 address and the port number, which is typically 6969. Enabling auto-discovery can also simplify the connection process. For calibration, first point your phone straight forward and perform the forward calibration. Then, place your phone upright with the screen facing you to complete the down calibration. This two-step process helps establish accurate tracking orientation. If you encounter issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. Check your firewall settings to ensure UDP ports 6969 and 35903 are open. Confirm your Wi-Fi network is operating on the 2.4 GHz band with WPA2 security, as some other settings can cause problems. For iPhones, disable power-saving modes and screen auto-lock to prevent the app from disconnecting. Finally, restarting both Steam VR and the OWOTrack overlay can often resolve persistent tracking glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.